Ebusianfo ma munyina akwaba eba Ghana Nsem TV GH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusianfo, say if I kunya we so na meka mo say our fundraising towards a studio setup still is ongoing. So far we've been able to raise 7,000 out of the 25,000. Screen I say you can help in any way you want, as you always do. Cheers. Damase. Ebusianfo yanti asemde. Yanti asemde because they say there me I don't like seeing ladies sad. Yes, I don't like seeing ladies sad because whenever a lady is sad, it affects almost everything and everyone around. And you always want a lady to be happy, to be smiling, to be high-spirited. And that is why I'm sad this evening. I don't like to see your sister, your baby, Mzbel cry. Debbie. I be 16 years. I go to be like this. So if you touch Martino, I go tell mommy. Now, that thing, I want you say, if we touch it, or I catch any man, Papa na kotachi. Na papa no kotachi wiye no. Ena Mzbel adamfo nso minim na ekosi ye. And we all know what happened. And then audios came out. A papa no argument. Ebimu enya edan wa trasako some $7 million payment bribe ni nyina akom. And then Mzbel soon said, or see, Papa no, on pen and name poetry ehumbium. Papa no, I didn't tell Papa no say, or the secret about bounty. The secret ni say, Papa no, or per dieno pa, or per dieno. Someone say, a bano size and so, not for any volta for. More money, right? And papa no John Mahama, or see, ye did even in naked, me America. But all those things, Mzbel say after campaigning with NDC, now they have come to power. No, they don't even want to associate with her Mzbel because of sa papa na 70. Mzbel say okona okope jumama nkrofwa. Nobody wants to attend to her. You're sidelining, no. Adentia, where dear bia, one can anuntum. But Mzbel say no crenya me ni. Me man kasada. Me papa no ya de no wie no. Me de man katro bia me nim de wea eko ba say sa papa no issue ekwa bonten. And the way she's crying about it, I mean, I believe her. I believe it. It's so sad seeing our own celebrity Mzbel being sad like that. It's not good for our entertainment sector. I just say enjoying hands na petition Papa no say to err is human and to forgive is divine. Ade a wedi da no wedi. And say wendi wedi. Na wedi ewie no. E bia mistake aba bia jealousy kakra bia ba mu an else na. And women fight over men. For women to fight over you, it means you are able to deliver well. And yes, sir. So you should not be happy and you have come to power. You are rewarding people and you have left the woman to her fate. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? We Ghanaians knew very well, say, ye to abanamawa, udi estikabema slay queens. Yanim, na ye koto abanamawa. Enti, why are you holding back? Why are you making the woman cry? Please, we are sounding this caution to this government. Say, the earlier you sort out Mzbel, the better for all of us. And yes, sir, the kind of demonstration you work room hano. Unfano easy. Justice for Mzbel. Justice for a victim of Papano. Oh dear, say untimi koshano bioma. Suma u brother, say u brother na suma for bibia. La na no akoto jet no. So the this kind of my brother say unkoto bra. Last time were taking over a mining concession. What is Kanoma Obra say? On Uncle Jiwanidim. And it's a one to me car. So maybe now we are on my penny and it's over maybe a motor kid ready winima. We are Sumaonia and Obeko Amount. No, this can come mammy, no sorting my menu out. I don't know, yes, sir, Papa no. Papa no. Yeah, yes, sir. You're making a whole beautiful lady like this cry. Aden. Let's go and look at Mzbel's story and see how she's crying and all emotional. And after seeing how emotional she is, if you support this cause, this petition, push on for, write in the comment section, justice for Mzbel.
When she had to me, na me permoa, na me de mo akoko to ko fanim, na de bia wo pesa mo jina so, na mo ka se we rape. Me go na mo wa twa Ghana. Every time bia Mzbel rape no, it hurts. It really hurts. Oh, but as can promise I said me, I didn't want it. I told my manager, said, my young customer is also opening the panel per trend, make up a big. But then I realized, the way I come, man can, or Chile, make us say, what can I? Can promise for our bedtime, share, and let me say this. Sana, me to me baby, one morning somebody woke up and somebody say, my phone message was baby now, papa no. This thing went on and on. I never said anything. Man, catch it that. Man, man, catch it that. Because me never say, Nipo would be tagging no. Me the man no pay more. I never said anything. Hey, I never said anything. I kept quiet. Me yet normal post. Like I said, Mzbel has replied. Nobody did no more. Now you catch me. Kawanutum and kashi man kashi da. And then your time any because that's why Papa and I will say a bit of this. I never said anything. In the morning way, give me for the king. I'll never be here. I never said anything. Look at how he's here being aggressive and say something. Me kashi da. But because they are too and kasa. Because me kasa is then be ahead of Kwasiafuɔ to me so. Why? Me kwa me watch our Ghana ha ye. Why? Na someone to me. Me dia reho, me di masoma to police for any. Police for the me no masoma to abonten. Ama some radio presenter be right now say, dey be ohye ne man kete yes see, mo ya rehearsal of fear ohye na man kete. It was say e ba na e be rape me. I want to go home.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I really want to go home.
Oh.
I really see.
No, it's okay, I'm sorry.
Akweshia etuobia. I never ever spoke about things. I kept quiet because silence is good. Oh, come on to me break my tongue me sick my tongue me do my tongue me no nyam akwa campaign my NDC. Obi anka show ene me page man crofo. You say na yent me found to show so my performing because now we have papa and I papa I never said anything. I never mentioned it. I never said anything no. Me think can no people which means what you want to be the would go to asem one. You will be the better me kweku. You better me kweku.
Thank you. In Tisa Hospital, no, and also said your report cano. Me cannot mean say it has been fully equipped. It is equipped too. It's hono. Yemfa nipan konko gumu. Have you asked yourself, Nientia? Yes, you hospital, yeah, equipping hospital, na jo Mahama, NTME operational. Operationalization is you sending people to work in the hospital. Aden. Besine. Hayas, what be home? Yanko back to.
Let me help you another hospital. So those people are munim STEM school here or Eastern region, your friend or
Abomosu
STEM school. So yes. If you are using the road from those areas, no, there were 2 hospitals. A war is being finished and every one more in that area crown and now me know can say omoye was my friend saying recycling recycling product it was being undertaken by Nana Danko Ekufuado. That's 2 hospitals within that area. So Obia onim that area no will testify it. 2 big hospitals which Ekufuado built and commission it. Abane ma enyemen nyina wom bibia wom o may live that area can testify it. Indeed to also.
Yes. Thank you. Let me say, Hayes, I'm taking you back to COVID. Okay, COVID time on the emergency situation and COVID diba, Emma nana du bie some hospital obey some attachment apart from soldiers no mbesi that hospital no musi no come friend is saying disease. What do you call that hospital? The soldiers nisi what do you call that hospital? It's in Accra. The hospital now COVID for
COVID center.
Yeah, okay. COVID, but they have a name for that hospital.
Okay,
so that kind of hospital. I've forgotten.
There's a bigger one, and there's another one at Amasaman. So Nanado Danko Ekufado commits the Amasaman one, then commits the one which is the main officer and we are COVID center at you can say TV3 area more. Then there's another one at University of Ghana.
Yes. Mepacho, voice of MPP. What do you call those hospitals now? COVID time for infectious disease centers. Thank you. Because of COVID in T. Nanado built infectious disease centers. He built infectious disease centers in a lot of hospital facilities all over the country. Some infectious disease centers, no. People were employed to work there. So what you say? Enti Nanado, a nipa of nurses, ye can nurses recruitment or ye wo Ghana. And sana all free a honu mo aqua. Enyasem kitwa. Teachers. John Mahama best say automatic posting for teachers. Nanado
2 minutes not easy.
Nanado managed to fix the automatic posting for teachers. Teachers now almost year now into almost year 1 year be now fed you according to year by year. Can you believe it? It says as we speak, we have about 41,000 teachers at home. Nya ejuma nye. Enra Haruna Idrisu edi ababe tu ho say adia omo ba be fa teachers 7,000 people 7,000 no ba be fa no. It's not going to be here. The difference is that Nanado or say 2022 for ne wo kwa munim say mu wie school 1 year, BBT said national service 1 year. The next year, 2023 for in a year farm. This time, it na Idrisu aye na dream say, or no, sad adina omo ye say 2023 for nim say ye ba be ko school there be. Say no aye nim tugum. Enti mo amugu fie 2022, 2023, 2024 for any 2025 any there kosu nyina no. Mu nyina obi anya application struggle for 7,000 places ewo Ghana. So can you imagine the backlog? Now, NPP will come back and come and meet the mess, backlog mess, and we'll have to come and struggle again. But as many must say, Dr. Baumia Babe, person me catch any sense Dr. Baumia ne baya. But this time agenda one we have a lot of them at that 80% complete, 80 something percent. And we really do no commission man nurses no do na kwa ye juma too. And Dr. Baumia baya and we will not have economy.
So highest. This is what Mahama about the first commission. Yeah, commission first. Infection Disease Center. It was commissioned by 24th of January 2020. Nanado Danko Ekufo-Addo who built this center. Right?
Thank you, Rimpo.
This.
May the mass MC highest.
Okay, so
sorry. Thank you, Rimpo. May the mass AC. And then I'm person me catch guy no bisa say Dr. Baumia be then Dr. Baumia ne waswa. Yeah, a cons me man be I just read. But I know say if you look at Ghana economy now we share inflation rate. Now we share prices of goods and you can see that there's a complete mismatch somewhere. I been see that. What you say? It is like Dr. Baumia, he will not come and massage figures. He will not come and concoct figures to cause the way say a friend is saying economy to become a mismatch such that goods and services and prices ekosoro na inflation ba never from as we speak about 2028 na Ghana inflation ye ko negative na mo twa Canada kura na mo ko negative but still na prices of goods den ekosoro enti ni mitpacha me di masembesi ha
America cry 2 point something
hunu ni baby but Anakufuado buy any doctor about here buy no almost say on my free SHS within 1 year and a free SHS nearby. That tells you say MPP you can't dear yenti or say Nana Jane so about 2028 a dear policy no neighbor because the more they buy you from one to me and yet into 2024 no dear no more they bray to no dear John Dramani and me I'm sorry or Nana Jane say and then it's ya omo no so on for bibi mra bonten na ye hu say na Kufuado ma Dr. Bawumia 32 adwuma so wonye na otimi ye na otimi ye ni ye no enti ono no de say de ke na dwoma ama na wo say o meye campaign say de waso esi o mo so ano de pa enti me pese me che say wi ase wo ye bibi yi a enka wa chitafo wa fiefo en sorry ntia because MPP Sabiota Frache ebi ye hu se ne bi aban no ebi afa no ebi sorry tia ye ya ne tia se so de ye tena ho but ne de social media forum de me hu ye kwa me hu be 7 a o mo ni abre pa o mo kasetia aban ya etishu a kira ye se John Domani oni adwuma bia de maye ne e de maye china e de maye ho kire it is we have done ni na o say Ushe Ghana sending nkoso beba Dr. Alhaji Bawumia ni MPP because ye de aye bida unim mu ye ba ye kra ye hu kra interchange baako 10 ene ye timi wie mu be me fan 5 or 4 ye adwuma sise ebi wo tamale akra nko aye baako 3 as 4 ye wie 3 ena ye friend is corporate interchange no de ye wie ena he be so Ganse. Kumasi the event. Swami. And also you start here you drew at least bear 20-30%. That tells you say Abaya obeti me amakuru no adane MPP. Dr. Bawumia so one sheshe ye also on bad or be try buses when it comes to transporter your railways your aircraft and this animal or be na very very successful. Na wasa ma economy na gina enye economy a ekoton gold ni edi be shim ye be produce na yeso yakoton ni age foreign money ni edi ababa be share Ghana mu enti sa wo ye obi a wo tie ye ya nipa 14 mu tie ye no mu hu se eye aban MPP ni Dr. Bawumia na betimi edi yakobo sha asase so bi de ewie na ye holiday ma a Christopher no me ka kire mu se obi an try say Sabiota Frache try say to aba edi ama Dr. Alhaji Bawumia ni MPP because so person ye twa ukoko dia Dr. Bawumia so person nurses ye fa wadwuma mu Dr. Bawumia so ye teacher person ye fa teacher mu Dr. Bawumia mu akoye adwuma so ye ntwa amoka mo hu se da na Kufuado any MPP aye bida na Dr. Bawumia o ka sa aban no ho Mahama eja mu ano ntwa about 2 years na Kufuado bae no wow na wo ye adwuma obi ani se wo ye adwuma no 2 years kan ye dey e ma mo nti ye de ye ka kire wo ye sankofo ni bia afiwe ene ye competitive na ye campaign dey ama ko wo teacher obetimi a convince teacher ni obetimi a convince student ne maame ne brother amomato aba nti mu nyina mo fa mo nyim so that since aforade eya adomo a 2028 de ombe pia bonten na wakoto aba na sa aba we so de enya ye no ana de jomo amanye ye benya 2 million difference so that ibe say Dr. Bawumia ne pe oba soso a ode hihye on de waka osi ongu ye ni ase na ongu Ghana ni ase no wamba so obedi ni waku ni na busuafo because kai no nko akoba betina buruchi no waye na adwuma no waje bisika but was say do Mahama say oba buruchi a obi anfa na adwuma because ona mo communicator akwa wonya ne yie yeah ahontia Nti mede ma no nsi no pɛsɛ mekyerɛ sɛ Dr. Bawumia ɛne MPP ɛna ɛyɛ the choice of 2028
Yes,
ɛda
yes,
mo
yes,
ase.
yes.